let's count together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, let's count again, but this time we'll see the words and some fun pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, let's count again, but this time we'll see the numbers, words, and we will count together. 1. Let's spell 1. O-N-E. How many crayons do you see? 1. You are doing a great job. 2. T-W-O. How many crayons do you see? 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E. How many crayons do you see? 3. 4. F-O-U-R. How many crayons do you see? 4. 5. F-I-V-E. How many crayons do you see? 5. 6. S-I-X. 6. 7. Now, let's spell 7. S-E-V-E-N. How many crayons do you see? 7. 8. Let's spell 8. E-I-G-H-T. How many crayons do you see? 8. 9. Let's spell 9. N-I-N-E. How many crayons do you see? 9. 10. Now, let's spell 10. T-E-N. How many crayons do you see? Ten. Hooray, you did it! Great job counting today. See you next time.